Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two Gigabit Ethernet Unmanaged switches from NETGEAR. If you're in the market for a switch, stick around to find out which one of these is right for you. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let's start with the price. The NETGEAR 8-port Gigabit Ethernet Unmanaged Switch is priced at $18, while the NETGEAR 8-port Gigabit Ethernet Unmanaged PoE+ switch is priced at $69, making it more expensive than the former. However, keep in mind that the PoE+ switch has the added benefit of power over Ethernet support. When it comes to features, both switches have 8 Gigabit Ethernet ports and a simple plug-and-play setup with no software to install or configuration needed. However, the PoE+ switch has an additional 8 PoE+ ports with a total power budget of 83 W. This is perfect if you need to connect PoE-enabled devices, such as IP cameras or wireless access points. Both switches support desktop or wall mount placement, giving you flexibility in how you want to set up your network. This makes them both great options for small businesses or home offices. NETGEAR is known for their industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty, and both switches have this feature, so you can rest easy knowing that your purchase is protected. Both switches have an energy-efficient design compliant with IEEE 800 2.3 as, which means they'll help you save on energy costs in the long run. Additionally, they both operate silently, making them ideal for noise-sensitive environments. And that's a wrap. We hope this comparison video helped you decide which switch is right for your needs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.